Hello kids, here I am again with a new story. On the picture you can see Halloween. Yes, and I keep telling you different stories on why we celebrate these festivals. So let's listen to the short story on why we celebrate Halloween. So end of the October we celebrate as Halloween. This day was celebrated as Halloween, not with the same name. So, what was it known as? Let's see. In the beginning, before Christ, this festival was known as Samhain. It was not a festival celebrated by Christians. It was celebrated by the people of Celts. The Celtic people lived in the region now known as Ireland, Britain, and northern France. Now, there are 2 to 3 facts related to this festival, Samhain. The first fact that is known that it was celebrated as harvest festivals by the Celtic people. Another factual story is that it was a tradition in which they remembered those who had died and keeping the evil spirits peaceful and happy. This was observed on 31st October every year. After Christ, the occasion was opposed by Christians. And the head of the church decided to celebrate this day as All Saints' Day on 1st November. They also thought that if this All Saints' Day is celebrated, people will forget about Samhain, but this didn't happen. So let's know what is All Saints' Day. All Saints' Day, a Christian festival in honor of all the saints in heaven. This was before celebrated on 1st May. But still, no one forgot about the Celtic festival Samhain. So now how does this Halloween comes in? Let's know. Since November 1st was celebrated for Holy Spirits, the evening before that became as Holy Evening or All Hallow Even, where hallow is the old word of holy, even is the old word of evening. So All Hallow Even became as Halloween. Now, what about the dresses that we wear, that ghostly dresses? So, dressing up like spirits and ghosts became part of celebration of All Saints' Day because the people who celebrated Samhain believed that the dressing like ghosts will keep away the evil spirits and make them happy. It's also said that after this, winter season begins. Now, what's the belief behind this scary pumpkin? So, it is said that pumpkin was carved out in these shapes and kept outside their homes to keep away the evil spirits. So, this was a short and simple story of why we celebrate Halloween. From where did this Halloween came in? When did first begin? And why we keep this carved out pumpkins. You know, nowadays we get pumpkin lanterns in different and beautiful shapes. So burn these lanterns and enjoy your Halloween. And then next wait for Christmas to come. So kids, like, subscribe and share my channel Colorful Story Mind, and keep update with the stories that I come up for you, dear kids. Till then, take care and keep celebrating the different festivals. Bye bye.